For in-person teams using a full day schedule, day 2 involves coming back together to look at everything with fresh eyes. Everyone continues working on their plans and coordinating with other teams until it's time to walk the walls again.
Once planning starts to wrap up, it's time for stakeholders to join the event, so teams can share their plans with the larger group and answer any final questions. For in-person events, this involves having the group walk to each team's space so that the team can present their plans. And for virtual events, each team can share their board over video conferencing and accept questions verbally or via chat.
After each team has had a chance to share their plans, everyone in the group will do a confidence vote. One way to do so is a fist to 5, either by holding up fingers or signaling agreement in another way. 3s, 4s, and 5s are confident enough to move forward, but 1s and 2s have to be addressed.
And if you're going to do fingers, make sure you always hold up the index finger.
Pointer finger.
That's the one.
It's a crucial step in achieving shared understanding and commitment to the upcoming work, ensuring that potential problems are surfaced and addressed before concluding the planning session.
The last part of big room planning involves closure of the agenda and disposition of all the issues, risks, open questions, and more. Then the team does a retrospective to address questions such as, how did our event go? What went well? What do we want to do differently next time?
Different snacks. It's always different snacks.
It's great to end with appreciations, and then the group can disperse.
Now that we've covered the big room planning process, let's talk about timing. These events provide a regular touch point for aligning teams and adjusting plans. They create a heartbeat or a rhythm for planning and delivery throughout the organization.
Many organizations hold big room planning quarterly, but some prefer a bi-monthly or a biannual schedule. The key here is consistency.